Until you find a way to keep some of the money you make, nothing, I mean nothing is going to change in your life. You're going to continue, you're in financial slavery. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, if you're buried in debts, all these things that we're going to talk about in a second. But the number one thing is you got to find a way to keep 10% of the money you make. And you know what? Here's the thing. For some of you at $50,000, you can't. You can't keep 10%. You can't follow this first 10% rule. So you just want to click stop on this video because you think you're going to, this video is not for me. I can't save $5,000. I'm living paycheck to paycheck. Don't you understand? It's hard out there. Of course I understand. You know what? I got some hard truth for you right now because you know what? Sometimes the truth hurts. So here's the truth. If you are living paycheck to paycheck and you're making $50,000 a year, guess what? You need to get a second job. You need to get a side hustle. And that side hustle, make sure it makes you at least $5,000. I don't care what you do. I don't care if you go shovel driveways. I don't care if you go out there and mow lawns. I don't care if you go moonlighting at night. Figure out a way to make $5,000.